In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Docs. If you want to create a polished project proposal, write an article, or put together a clean internal newsletter, Canva Docs gives you a much more flexible space than a traditional word processor. Instead of fighting with rigid page breaks and awkward formatting, you can work in a document that feels more visual and more natural to build. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get into Canva Docs, set up your document, use the / shortcut menu, add charts and other elements, convert your doc into a presentation, and finally export it as a PDF. To get started, open your web browser and go to Canva's website. Sign into your account, and once you're on the home dashboard, look just below the main search bar for the row of format options. Click on Docs. That will open a new Canva doc and take you directly into the editing workspace. Once the workspace appears, you'll notice that Canva Docs uses a clean scrolling layout instead of a fixed page. That means your document can keep expanding as you write, which makes it feel much less restrictive. At the top of the blank document, click on the heading area and type your title. Try to keep it clear and concise so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you're managing multiple files. Now let's look at one of the most useful features in Canva Docs. Click on an empty line in the document and press the / key on your keyboard. This opens a floating shortcut menu right where you're working. From here, you can quickly choose text styles like heading, subheading, or body text without digging through menus. This is a great habit to build because it speeds up formatting and keeps your flow uninterrupted. You can use that same / shortcut to insert visual elements directly into the document. Press the / key again, then scroll through the menu and choose something like chart, table, or graphics. If you select chart, Canva will place it in line with your text and open a side panel where you can edit the data. As you change the values, the chart updates automatically, which is especially helpful when you want to break up large sections of text with something more visual. If you decide your document should become a presentation, go to the top right area of the screen and click Convert. Canva will analyze the structure of your document and generate presentation options based on your content. This can save a lot of time when you need to turn written material into slides. When everything looks finished, click Share in the top right corner. Then choose Download. Change the file type to PDF standard, and then click Download again. That will export your document in a format that's easy to share while keeping the layout consistent. That's all for this guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.